So this is how you would add an equation to a Word document. So you go to Insert and then click Equation, and when you do, here up. Let's do this again. Insert Equation, and all this comes up for stuff to use. So if you could do simple equations, say 4, and then you could go here to a bar which has all your basic maths, and if you click the top right, if you have to do something more complicated, it gives you all these different symbols. Let's go back to basic math. It gives you the division symbol, because as you don't have that on equals. So that's pretty simple. But if you needed to do something more complicated like fractions, you can come up here and you have different formats of the fractions. So whichever one you would you prefer to do. If you come over here and you click on the top, you can add, and then click on the bottom, you can add your fractions and then move over here to the side, and then continue on with your sum. And if it disappears, don't worry. All you have to do is click your equation and it'll pop back up. You can go back to equation. You can also, if you need to add the power on the top, unfortunately you can't use the shortcut and it's unavailable here for the subscript. So you'll have to go to script and then click whichever one is needed and then add your numbers. But other than that, it's fairly simple, and you have all your extra equations up at the top here if you're doing more complicated sums.